So guys, for tonight's dessert, I'm gonna be making a chocolate cake. Okay, so first you want to make sure you have your oven set to, where is it, 320. We're gonna have here 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 3/4 cups of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of oil, 1 cup of coffee, and 3 eggs. Quick Coke break, guys. I need Coke in my life. Okay, so what we want to do first is mix all the wet ingredients. Another break. Okay, now you want to make sure you scrape down the sides. It's gonna be watery, but that's okay. That's how it's supposed to be. Here I greased 2 8-inch pans with butter, and then I sifted a little bit of flour on top. Okay, I went ahead and put it on both pans. Make sure you put it in equal amounts. We're gonna put it in for about 30 to 35 minutes. So another way that I can tell my cakes are done is just by feeling them. If they're fluffy, they're done. Okay, so now that my cakes are completely cold, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap them up in saran wrap and store them in the fridge overnight. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and taste it. It's really moist, chocolatey. It tastes nothing like coffee. It's really good. So guys, we have reached the end of the video on how to make a chocolate cake. This is actually my first video I have ever uploaded, and I will be uploading more videos soon on cake decorating, fondant decorations, and more. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video.